G'day, well, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So I've just received my new Chasing Gladius Mini S. So happy. And I've repaired my M2, but a lot of problems with it. This thing is reliable. So I've got an old one and I use for spare parts. And the second one I got was by our boat and skier in Botany Bay, and it sunk and the tether line broke. I didn't get it back. So let's have a look. Postal Service has got this off, and she's really packaged this well. Plenty of tape. And it comes in a nice little white box. Get it out. It's tight. Beautiful. I always keep my boxes in case I've got to take them back. That's it there. Oh, that's the S series. I had the first generation ones which the tether went in the top and they didn't have an SD card, you had to Wi-Fi it down all your videos. And just want to check on it, make sure it's there. Not sure which package I've got. It's windy down the south coast today. It's been windy every day. So I wanted to get the boat back out. And I'll take this out tomorrow. Either with the boat or off the water. And see how it goes. Don't want to damage the box too much. Really looking forward to getting this out. I'll charge it up tonight. And more tape. Okay. There she is. Comes in a nice little holder, and I've got the 200 metre tether line as well, and all the knickknacks. I think it comes with an SD card. There's the remote. It's got a 200 metre tether line. Now, this is slightly different than my M2 tether line, so I can't use the others. It's got a smaller plug on it. Interesting. Maybe use different power settings. Your leads. The towel with a nice little name, Chasing. And your charger. The power cable. Instruction book. Been operating these things for years in the aerial drones, so I think I know how to use it. So we might charge that up. And then we'll come back maybe later, or I'll take it straight out of the video. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. My newest series, Gladius Mini. See you next video. Hey Bob. Bluey.